Hello children, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Science Unit 3 Plants. First, what is meant by plant? A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth and has a stem, leaves and roots. Let us see some pictures about plant. See, a plant has flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. So these are the parts of a plant. So let's see another one picture: flower, root, stem, fruit and leaf. Learning objective. Okay, while learning this lesson you will able to answer all these below questions. Okay, list out the parts of leaf and their functions. Second one, explain the process of photosynthesis. Describe the role of plants as a primary producer. Know about green and non-green plants. Describe the features of a flower. List out the exotic plants and their role. Identify the edible part of different plants. Okay, first let's start with leaf and their functions. Introduction. All living things eat food. Okay, humans, animals, birds, everything eats food for their living. Food helps them grow and perform daily activities. So each and every work what we do in our day-to-day life needs energy, which we will get it from food only. Okay, we have seen animals eating their food. Okay, when we can, that is humans can provide their food, otherwise animals will search their food on their own. But have you ever wondered how plants get their food? Okay, for animals we feed them or they search food, and for humans we also cook food and eat them. But how will the plants get food? Okay, have you think about that? Let's see. Plants produce their own food with the help of chlorophyll, a pigment present in leaves. Okay, most of the plant leaves will be in green color. So with that green color they prepare their food. Humans and animals depend on plants for their food. Okay, so we humans will eat plants and animals, and the animals will depend on plants. Okay, they eat plants and live either directly or indirectly. Okay, let us learn more about plants in this lesson. So we can know more about the plants in this lesson. Okay, while looking into the details. First one, parts of a leaf. Leaves are of different shapes and size and have different parts. Okay, the picture given here is one type of leaf. There are different types of leaves. However, there are some basic parts that are common in most of the leaves. So, different types of leaves are different parts. Okay, some of the common parts which it will be same in all the leaves are given here. First one, blade, the broad flat part of the leaf. So this sharp tip is called apex. Okay, the center it has many lines, right? In leaves it is called as veins. The center line of the leaves is called midrib. Okay, the center line is called midrib. Then the broad area, okay, this area is broad area, right? So this place is called blade, and the leaf is connected to the main stem, right? That main stem is called, the connecting part between the main stem and the leaf is called petiole. Okay, these are the common parts of the leaf. Okay, the broad flat part of the leaf Okay, that name is also called as lamina. Apex, the tip of the leaf. Midrib, the midrib runs along the center of the leaves. Okay, the center line is called midrib. Veins means the branches from the midrib is called veins. Veins are branch out from the midrib. They are the framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. So from the main rib, the veins will carry water and minerals to the leaf. Petiole, this part joins the leaf to the main stem. Okay, joins the, okay, there will be a plant. Okay, that center stem, it will be there. The leaves will be connected to that center stem. So that connecting part is called petiole. Next one, stomata. Stomata are tiny openings or pores mostly found at the base of the leaves. So under the leaves, okay, the lower part it will has pores. Pores means small hole type structure which is called stomata. Air enters and leaves the plant through this opening. So plant will breathe. Okay, it happens with the help of stomata. Stomata helps the plants to breathe. Okay, that is what they mentioned here. Stomata are used to exchange gases. So we take in oxygen and leave out carbon dioxide as humans, but plants during photosynthesis they will take in carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen. Okay, that is why plant is very important in earth. So in the picture they have shown clearly opened stomata, closed stomata. Okay, when inhale or exhale they will open and close automatically. So let's see some of the shapes of leaves. So first one is linear. Okay, that is grass. You have seen grass, right? The shape of the grass is linear. Then some ovalette shape. Okay, it will be seen in the hibiscus leaves. Then elliptical shape. Guava fruit, you know, no? That leaves is called elliptical shape. And banana leaves is in rectangular shape. So these are the different shapes of leaves other than what we see in the book. Next topic, leaf as food factory. Okay, leaves produce food for the plant. Okay, that is the heading given. Plants need food, but they never need on people or animals to provide them. So plants need food, okay, but it is not given by animals or humans. Okay, they prepare their own food. Most of the plants are able to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. So most of the plants will make their own food. Okay, they don't depend on humans or animals to get food. By which process they produce their own food, that process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, photo means light. Okay, light we will call it as photo, plus synthesis means making. Okay, making or preparing. So light is making food, it is like that. Okay, photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food. So they prepare their own food. How? Okay, that is the next question. Using chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Okay, chlorophyll means the green pigment which that leaves as, okay, or the plant as is called chlorophyll. Water, okay, we can give them, otherwise through rain it will get there. Okay, carbon dioxide, okay, we human beings inhale oxygen and leave out carbon dioxide. Plants will take that carbon dioxide, okay, to prepare their own food. And sunlight should be there. Okay, during sunlight, okay, when sun is there only it will prepare their own food. It will not prepare food at night time. Okay, so plant prepare their own food with green pigment, water, carbon dioxide, and in the presence of sunlight. Let us see how this process is organized within the plants. Okay. Okay, first one, water. Water is absorbed by the roots and is passed to the leaves through the tubes. Okay, first water is absorbed by the root. Okay, we pour water to the roots only. Okay, then from the roots it will go to stem, then stem to leaves, then leaves will have chlorophyll and it will get water and carbon dioxide through stomata and sunlight it will get and it will produce the food. Okay, then carbon dioxide in the air passes through small pores in the leaves. Small pores means they are talking about stomata. Okay, so carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is absorbed through the pores of the leaves. Third one is sunlight. A green pigment in the leaves help them to trap the sunlight. So if the leaves is green, then it will attract the sunlight. Okay, attract means what to say, trap means it will withstand with it. Okay, it will store the sunlight and it will produce the food. This pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, the green pigment is called chlorophyll. Most leaves are green in color because of this green pigment. Through photosynthesis, plants produce the food and release oxygen into the air. So for now photosynthesis action is taking place and the carbon dioxide is taken in, sunlight is getting in, then it will produce food and leave out the oxygen. Okay, so see the picture now. Carbon dioxide is getting in, sunlight is getting in, leaves is green in color, so chlorophyll is there. So all three and water is getting in through the roots. Okay, getting all this in, it is producing food and leaving out oxygen. So water plus carbon dioxide gives on sunlight and chlorophyll, food plus oxygen. Okay, so the output is food and oxygen. To get these two, we need water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, as plants prepare food for themselves. Okay, they prepare their own food, no one is needed for them. Okay, and also for other living things. So plants, okay, now we take goat will eat the plants, now it is getting their food. Okay, and also for other living things, they are called primary producer. So plants is the first stage, next the animals will eat them, then that goat we will eat, that is human beings. So the first one is plants, so that is called primary producer. Humans are directly and indirectly dependent on plants. Okay, directly we will eat spinach, vegetables, all those things we get from plants. Indirectly we are eating animals. Okay, animals eat their food as plants. So all together we are all in need of plants, so plant is the primary producer. Think and answer. Okay, first question, which part of the leaf collects carbon dioxide? Okay, which part of the leaf collects carbon dioxide? So small pores in the leaf collects carbon dioxide. Small pores in the leaf collects carbon dioxide. Which part of the leaf transports water? Which part of the leaf transports water? Veins in the leaves transport water. Veins in the leaf transports water. Okay. Try to answer. Fill in the blanks by rearranging the letters in the bracket. Okay. First one, during photosynthesis, plants releases dash. Okay. We have to rearrange this word. So what is given in this bracket? Oxygen. So oxygen, oxygen. Okay, during photosynthesis plants releases oxygen. Second one, dash is a primary producer. Dash is a primary producer. So what is the primary producer? Plant. So plant, plant. Okay, plant is a primary producer. Third one, stomata are seen in the dash surface of the leaf. Stomata are seen in the dash surface of the leaf. So what? Lower. Okay, LOWER, lower. Okay, stomata are seen in the lower surface of the leaf. Fourth one, pigment involved in the food synthesis is dash. Okay, what is it? Chlorophyll. So pigment involved in the food synthesis is chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. So think and answer. Why would living things not be able to live without plants? Why would living things not be able to live without plants? First one, plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe. Second one, plants provide food for us and animals. Plants provide food for us and animals. Third one, plants give shelter to animals and birds. Plants give shelter to animals and birds. Fourth one, plants helps make rain and keep our air clean. Plants helps us to make rain and keep our air clean. So totally plants are the superheroes.